Hi everyone, so this is my module for our class. My topic is character development and my target audience is secondary education, specifically freshman class. So at the home screen you can see I have a short little introduction paragraph kind of introducing the students to what the module will look like and the class objectives, what I want them to take away. If we go into classwork, I broke it up into 5 different parts. At the beginning, there is just a simple question, a short paragraph where I can kind of develop a baseline for where my students are at. So just kind of asking them what they think characterization is before we go into more detail about it. After that, they have a little activity to get them thinking through the different elements of character development, where they'll just fill out a Google form about one of their favorite characters from a book, a movie, or TV. And just be able to think about different elements. And I also included an example video from my own Google form. After that, we go into kind of a foundation of what character development is. So there's several lecture videos that go into detail about definitions and different elements, and then a reading that they'll go through, just a short PDF. After that, they'll have a check-in quiz where they will answer questions based off of what they've learned so far. After that, we go into the next part of character development, which is being able to find it within literature. So here's a short presentation that they can work through on their own, and then a lecture video that I've created. After that, we'll go into literature review, so putting into action what they've learned so far. They'll read at least 2 of these short stories and then create a pod chat about what they learned and what they were able to identify so far, and then they'll respond to 2 of their classmates. I inserted an optional brain break before we go into the final assessment project, which really builds off of what they've already put into the pod chat. So they'll go into more detail, combining the definitions that we talked about at the beginning of the module with the literature that they've read so far, and just create a short presentation of some sort. They get to choose what they want to do, and then I'll be able to assess what they've learned and retained so far in the module.